guys, thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into SPY. So guys, remember SPY is the one of the best indicator for market, and when you talk about Tesla, Rivian, Lucid, Nvidia, Meta, Amazon, so Meta is the SPY is the one who just giving you the directions. So what we see here on you bounces at the support, and we rejected that this support again, and by now we are looking this downtrend which started all the way from 613, and right now we are trading we closed yesterday 560, but now post market or pre-market right now we are around 555 or 556. We have this downtrend. We bounced at this support, and we rejected this support around 262 or almost 263 if I remember very well yesterday, because I was playing some calls. And right now we are under that downtrend. We rejected at the resistance, and today also is the day when tariff is going to be effective. And right now, because we rejected that this resistance, we are hanging. Remember yesterday, let me delete this thing, something over here. Remember yesterday, we pounced around, is it yesterday? Yeah, I think yesterday. So we have some when you see this area, we have it was resistance and the support, which is this where if president will talk will be dovish on so probably this price around 553 will be the support. But if we'll break through, remember 546 is another. Remember, this thing guys can move very easy. Like right now it's down $5, and it's easy to move that $5 either downside or upside. And let me bring some of the charts on a MACD here. When you see on a MACD here, you see very well that this stock sort of some notification over here. So this stock, we have this one. This today is very important to learn the candle, some of the candles which is developing 4-hour chart. This one was the pulleys. It came down, it cap up, and then we have something almost a hangman, but I don't know what type of these candles. You see it here, we saw a hangman. We saw this is the 8 hours, because it's 4 hours and 4 hours, and then we bounce it back. This one we saw something almost hangman 1, 2, and before we close, when market open, we are going to monitoring very close this candle over here. And the MACD is signaling pi, and then for me today to buy a call, or I have to watch this MACD in either way. And if this one will turn red, will tell you maybe today, and maybe today, yeah. So remember, today is Wednesday. Maybe today we might be going down, and then investor will come up later on Thursday and Friday to send the stock to close above the area. It's depending how the effective for tariff. And on 45, you see on 45 strong sell, like you cannot buy right now. And remember, this one we saw several times whenever that one signal is sell, like here sell, we saw diving from 566 to all the way, like it did like $20. This price from here to here, that is $20, and equal to what's wrong with this one? Yeah, so I don't know, there's something wrong with my settings on this one, but we can use this roller. So from lowest here to, yeah, so it was more than 2%. Yeah, it was more than 2%. It's just only that this thing doesn't yeah, it's starting from 49, but we know it's $20 different for $20. So right now I will not buy any calls. I will not buy any calls from here. I will not buy any calls right now. It is the right time to put. It is the right time to put. And let me see types of the my indicators that I have. So we saw sell signal around 5:59 on small time frame, and let's see on 4-hour chart if we have that sell happen. So you see this one, it was buy around 5:51 and it was sell around 5:60. So we are under that sell signal right now, and because I have my indicators who's telling me everything for me right now on SPY, I will stay away, and I will not buy a put, because maybe after president talk and then something is not going well. So now that's the time I will buy some puts for me, but I think it's still risk right now, because this thing market, I don't know, maybe we'll be pausing, we'll be continuing with the tariff. Remember on a 15 minutes chart we have on SPY double, we have a double top here, you see. We have a double top on resistance. Remember this yesterday, 562. Remember this was our neck, and because we break our neck, this is another, let me show you. So our neck, it was 556 to here. So this is a movement of $6. So because here 556 minus 12 is how much? So 550. So we are expecting to hit 550. So we have this one where I mark as a support. Remember this, it was a physical which is our 550 is going to come between this round 46 here. So this way I will go to buy my call. And also we are monitoring also on short term. Remember this short term, guys, I don't like this short term. I like always, after doing my research, I have always to watch I have to watch for one day and 4 hours. Just if 1 day and 4 hours is bullish, then I will come 5 to 45 minutes, and if 45 indicating bullish, then I will come to 15 to, I'm sure that I will go long. But playing without is easy to lose. So here now we saw that huge cap up, it was a bullish. We saw this one, it was cap up, we saw it's pushing, and here we don't have any tail. So this 45 minutes chart indicating we might go low and low. And let's go to Tesla now, because that's, guys, I've been focusing on Tesla. So Tesla on 45 minutes is forming a bullish candle. So let's, if this is the going to be correct, and you see this one, this is the bullish candle on Tesla on 45 minutes. Still stock is going down, but here we close some cup. You see this cup over here, this is the cup which is Tesla came to close right now. How the MACD right now is still point out, which is this thing you can hit somewhere here, and until this one signal pi, that's when you should consider to load. So MACD is still pointed downside, and let's go to 4 hour chart. What does 4 hour chart? So 4 hour chart is still under that. You see this area, if that one, guys, signaling green like here. So remember, I like this one is faking, like this one is just faking and then turn red, and once it come turning will be more bullish. Remember, all of us, we know on a daily this thing is on a foolish mode. You come to small time frame like 45, you see MACD here signaling pi, we have this pi coming in, and that's why it was indicating to move to moon. So the last stock, which is maybe I will talk right now, is Nvidia. So Nvidia right now, the reason why I'm thinking to buy some Nvidia is already cooled down for several times, but doesn't have that momentum. Like, it's still cooled down, but this thing, I think end of this week, Nvidia is going to move upside for short term. We have a double bottom here, 105 and 105, and we have this pie on a 4-hour chart, and it doesn't have that sell signal, so which is telling you we need only a news to send Nvidia. Remember, my target for Nvidia is going to be rejected around 120 something. Okay, it's between 121 125. That's where we have Nvidia. When you see Nvidia here, you see this one, this will be bullish, guys, because we cap up closing green yesterday, and if we close today another green, doesn't matter how many price, even we go to 514 or 114, I mean, we saw this happen here, it happened here, and it's going to happen here, and this one is going to break 120 this round. So I have some calls, which is I put I put wrong time, guys. I put around here, and the stock came down, and I'm still holding. It's going to expire in next 1 month. I don't know. I didn't put a stop loss because I saw this candle here, and the market dip at that time was indicating upside, and we had that candle, which was a bullish candle. It was either bullish or a reversal, but it happened that it was going to come down, and right, maybe today I will add my position on Nvidia if things this story for so Apple is the one of the strongest stock right now. Remember, Apple some past days it was volatile, but today we are talking Apple very bullish. Yeah, we are talking Apple to, so this is a bullish, guys. You see this thing, this is a bullish, slowly by slowly you will see moving 1%. You see it here, it was not that huge volume, so the only volume, so we push from 211 to 218, that's a huge volume. You have this bar, you see, this is, you cannot play with this one. It's going to open from here and push it. Remember, guys, that's what probably today you might be close green. Some of these Amazon pounces on support, and you see this has been the long support, guys. Remember, the Amazon is not like a meme stock, but you see this discount, this is a 50 discount, so this is called at 50 discount. And when you think to be more bearish, and you see this is a huge stock, guys, you cannot be bearish on this one, you see. So for me, I sold somewhere here, because when you monitor that's market on weekly, it was very it's not good. Amazon, Google also, or Alphabet, and this is the sometimes one of the most winners. It does the same. This one, it bounces here like it was going to bounce, and then he lose again. He went another, and that is another opportunity, 50%. Guys, thanks so much, and have a nice day.